Hey guys, here's a tip. When you're locating a building, make sure that the direction of the building location line goes in the correct direction. So they're going to have to set up here at an existing pin and then shoot towards a new location. And so the line needs to go in the direction that they're shooting. This one says southwest. Well, southwest goes this way towards the lower left. It's going in the wrong direction. So this location, this bearing and distance is incorrect. We need to grab this line, type reverse, and now LP again. Now it says northeast. So now this thing is going in the right direction. And then I'll just put that on the correct layer. Same thing with this one. This one says south 1 degree west. It's going from top to bottom. That's incorrect. Reverse, LP. Now it says it's going from south to north, north a little bit east, and that's correct. And then another thing that's really nice to do, instead of drawing right and shooting right down to the corner, do some sort of an offset, like 10, 15, or 20 feet. I drew a line from this building edge here, because that's just a porch. This is the furthest out building edge, building edge, building edge, building edge. I just drew a big rectangle around that, offset it by 10 feet, so they can put the pins out here, and then they have the dimensions to measure back and to dig the footings for the building. And that way they can have their pins staked, the house staked out here, and work around the building and not mess with it too much. And so this building location goes from here to that new location that they have staked. And that's it.